Oi! Oh my. That's why you said record now.
You don't need those.
Anyway. But you gotta intro the video, Mason.
So, 3 months ago, maybe 4 at this point, I picked this up for something less than it was on sale for. Got an old coupon. Hold on, my throat really hurts. A man needs water, but
huffing too much rust.
there's not too much of that around here. So
It's like we're gonna do an unbox start.
We're gonna crack open the old Gerber. Wait a minute, I do have water. I will be right back. There's that.
I want to cut it, but I won't. Service truck. He's got water.
Mm-hmm.
Big chug.
I don't really know how long that's been in there, but hope it's fine.
It's water. It can't go bad. So, you're about to cut it.
All right, so you get the old Gerber, and you just kind of
Gotta get the brand name in there.
and go like that. Look at that. Now, if you're professionalism enough, you can just kind of go like this. You get the other side. All right. Do a little zing zang.
Zing zang, as the kids say.
And then just a little. You don't want to cut it all the way because it's cheating.
It's cheating.
Now you just want to get this in there and fry it up. Listen to that. Smell that fresh. Gerber.
Smell the new updated
Gerber freight.
smell of vision.
Oh, hold on, there's an important thing here. It comes with a jack.
What?
What is this?
A tool.
Well, you can fix your whole engine with that.
You don't need any of that shit. Well,
We've never actually opened this before, which is why we're filming it. I'm sure, I don't know how many other videos there are here.
I don't know how do we get it out?
Well, it doesn't have oil in it, that's for sure. You just gonna want to turn it like this, okay? This is for the people who have no friends.
This doesn't have to be instructional.
No, it isn't. It's informational. Now you just want to get on the carburetor like this. It's really good for you. And then you just gonna want to grab the fuel tank. All right. We're gonna move to the exhaust actually, and then grab over here because that's a little more sturdy. And then you just want to pull it just like that, and then drag that onto the floor with you.
Once again, don't need that. Look at that. You don't need friends.
Now you just return that.
You return the empty box with a bunch of weights in it. Explain.
They put marks on here. Okay. So if you take it back saying you blew it up, they can check that and make sure you've turned it. Because this was like that, which is not tight.
I see.
And then there's a mark here on the sparkulator hole.
I see your sparkulator.
And yeah,
what is that for?
hey, you can pull it off. It's
But
supposed
what
to
is
be
the
a
mark
handle.
for?
It's a great question.
I'm not strong enough.
It's on there good, huh?
Oh, not that good. Okay, maybe it's so.
Oh, it's coming on. How old is this?
Looks new.
It's good.
True to spark.
Now you what? Yeah. Now, just gonna want to cut the zip tie here.
Okay. It's hard to film and put spark plugs on. Whoa,
There
that
we go.
made sounds.
You got it.
There we go.
Now you want to cut this like this. Oh, I missed. Oh, wait, no, I didn't. Nope, yep, I did. There we go.
That is how you properly do something.
And dent your knife.
Dude, it's a Gerber. It doesn't melt.
Ooh, that was... We put grease on that. Look at that.
It's probably assembly lube straight from China. That's actually Corona lube.
Oh, let's give the old tank a smell. You know, I think they tested it.
I would hope so. No, that just smells like assembly lube.
Oh, yep. That doesn't smell like what do I smell?
They pre-gas the gas filter.
No idea. We're just gonna dry.
Okay, so oil. Are any of these full?
They should all be full.
Some of them feel really light.
It might just be strong.
No. I almost just tossed it across the room at you.
Oh, another thing.
Oh, you might want to remove that.
Might want to remove that. Well, this has a different pull handle than my brother's.
His brother has a 212 go-kart.
Should we just pull it and see how...
No. What's it? Well, yeah, it's not gonna do anything.
Gas in it real quick. They put lube in there. Is there even anything in... We never actually checked. Oh, wait. It's wet.
It probably has assembly lube in there.
What's with you and your assembly lube?
Because when you assemble things, you lube them.
Just for the curious... Don't. You're going to scratch it.
Oh, yeah, there's stuff in there. Nice, and you literally hit the output shaft with the knife.
Oh, yeah. No, there's a little puddle in there. She's got oil.
That's enough to start.
That's enough to start. Okay. What happened here?
What's that?
Scratch.
On your welding cable.
Grab a funnel.
You don't need a funnel.
Some people have that aim.
I almost feel like we should give it a fog
What a fog.
cylinder.
Oh, they put assembly lube in there. There's assembly lube in there.
Mason, it's had time to settle. Okay, we gotta. This is proof because the last video we didn't show the cleaning.
See? It's
Nasty.
good.
We're not gonna show that. Dude, it's a new engine. What are you gonna do? Hood it?
It's good. It's good. Oh, here's the big.
We should just fill the whole thing with WD-40. You don't need real oil. Have you showed this?
No.
This is a random Big Series rear differential. May or may not be leaking.
Just a tad.
Just a tad.
You can just start using this funnel right away. Oh my god. Redneck advice of the day.
Redneck advice of the day. We haven't had this segment in centuries. Redneck advice of the day. What do you got to say? Prop your bike up properly.
Alright, if you have a flat tire, if your tire starts going flat, you should fix it probably right away. Because, this one, you see, I let it keep going, never filled it, never fixed it, never filled it with slime or nothing. Now that tire fix, and it, she is flat, and she is also nice and bald.
You're running drag slicks on the old bike.
Just about.
You been doing cookies in it?
It
Cookies.
doesn't do that. Well, I got this new muffler here welded back on. Come in here and them sexy welds.
Oh yeah, buddy.
From the weight of it, when I put it on, it tore it off the mount or the.
Well, you got some ogre cum.
What?
Oh,
It's interesting. Not sponsored. Tube sealant. Anyway.
Well, I came to ask you boys if I could
Steal some air?
Yeah, steal some wind out of your
I
wind
was
tank.
about ready to.
We got so much wind.
You can do one.
Oh, now I'm just making a mess.
So now he's pissed the ogre off.
Very.
I lost. Oh, Joey retrieved it. I did the old.
He's about to do it again.
Some kind of air thing you could just blow it, all that.
Oh yeah,
All that.
definitely. Let me just put this away real quick.
I went right over my shoulder. We couldn't find it on the LT1 video because this is a quote from Mason. It probably doesn't help that I take it off by launching it across my garage every time.
There's some responsibility. Yes. Oh, let's get it all slimy.
Direct wind.
Yeah, about 90 psi.
Old
coming out.
Carhartts.
Oh yeah. Oh, you're just gonna do that. Alright. Nice pumping it up. Look at that.
Look at that, hydraulics. Airbags. Someone want to get on it?
Mason.
Got airbags.
Oh yeah, you can really go up.
Oh, you took the valves to mount. I was like, why is it doing that? So that's how you cycle your slime in your tire.
Oh, for sure.
That's how you do it.
Oh yeah.
You want to make sure your tire is mostly slime.
At this point, this tire needs it. That should do her. One for the road.
It just sprayed out a little bit.
I think I'll push it back in. Nope.
Why would you? What?
What does it taste like?
What does ogre cum taste like? You don't have to retry it. I just want to know from your small sample. Not good.
Tart. Kind of sweet, kind of tart. It's
A little bit of both.
nasty.
Alright, how good's your aim with that? Disconnect it over there. Let's see.
Can you make it to? No.
Stand here and get
right
it there.
here.
Yeah, we gotta see if
Will it
you.
go
If,
that far?
It won't go that far. I went all the way to the yellow tractor. Oh, you got. Oh,
How am I
Aw,
supposed to do it?
you need some Viagra,
How
bud.
am I supposed to do it?
that was bad. You're not a professional air.
Mason, give him a. You might have to give him a trial here.
All right, so you want to go, underhand and.
Aw, right at the camera stand. Come
All right,
on.
one more.
One more for the road, like you said earlier.
You made the distance, not the height.
It's almost like you're tossing it, but it has an extra fart on it. Oh yeah, right on the engine. Right on the engine, bud.
Here we go. Here's this. Oh, he's gonna try again. He's gonna pick it up. What a guy.
Mason, he's better at cleaning your shop than you are. I heard burnouts, they help the slime cure.
Do they?
Because the heat.
Oh.
It's the temperature. I don't know if you've heard that. Maybe it's just a me thing, but
I don't think he does much of a burnout.
Well, hold on.
those tires look like they've had experience.
Oh, they've been freaking experienced, even like Jimi Hendrix experienced.
Dude, you don't need a Supra. You need a Spree.
Oh yeah. Ooh,
What is that?
What concoction is? Ooh.
No burnout on that.
Is that seafoam oil?
Let me roll it around.
Really letting the green slime cure it.
Listen to that two smoke.
I think she's cured. Yeah, I think it's cured on there now.
It's going flat again,
Oh no.
if I'm honest.
He's got limited time.
Limited time, yes.
All right. Anyway,
I don't know where you're going. Oh, blue funnel.
blue funnel.
Tree slime.
We just noticed our local redneck just left his green slime
So what we're gonna do is not tell him until he sees the video.
because he's a viewer apparently.
Mhm.
I didn't know that. Went to show him the LT. He's a Chevy guy, and he was like, "Seen it, been there, done that."
So, Byron, you left your slime.
Left your slime. Leave a comment if you missed your slime.
We'll leave some annotations on the screen somewhere if he messaged me before this video goes up.
Yep.
I'll be surprised.
I'll be surprised.
Actually, no. He'll remember.
He'll remember.
It'll go flat and he'll be like, wait a minute, where is it?
He's going, "Where's my slime? I need it." I wonder if his tire's going flat because, no, I guess that thing, I was going to say, that might be a children's toy for a bike.
Let's clean it
Let's see how clean enough
up. We'll
is.
just stick it in there. It'll be
Oh, that's clean.
So,
Oh,
don't know how many quarts this takes.
oh. It probably says in the instruction. Who needs the fucking instruction manual?
See, this is fine. If the oil thing doesn't have this, ask.
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 Should we refer to the instruction manual?
Wait, I should have an almost empty one.
Should we refer to the instruction manual?
We're gonna fill it until it comes out the neck, because that means it's full.
I'm not used to the oil out of your bottles being that clear.
Mm-hmm.
For some reason, I was like, why is there gas and or water in
It's
your
like,
oil?
what is that concoction? That wasn't even oil. I don't even know what that was.
That seafoam, whatever. Well,
Oh, it's full.
Mason cream pied the oil.
Nice.
Oh yeah, that's how you know she's full.
I made it right.
You spilled your maple syrup, bud.
Mm-hmm. Tighten that. Tad. Don't flip on me. What is happening? Is it the Craftsman wrench or the Chinese bolt? I'm gonna go with the Chinese bolt.
Corona bolt.
Oh. It broke.
Would that work?
Okay, now I'm just gonna do this attached. See, we're showing how to fill. I'm gonna drop the washer in here. How to fill your oil.
I just realized, oh no.
How long is this?
It's the longest.
There we go. Look at that. Catched.
Wait. We gotta see the proof. Did you get it on your hands?
Nope.
Fastest hands in the Northwest. We've apparently drained too much now.
Drained too much now, but that's fine.
It's fine?
That's fine. I want to tighten that. This bolt is really good, actually. It's
Guten
great
tight.
Great quality. Where's the light?
Gluten tight quality.
Watch as that puddle gets a tad bigger. You can see in there a little bit. There you go. So you want it filled just above that little ridge there, and I did not do that.
Get a little. Yep, that's clean.
It's okay. We're just gonna drip oil everywhere. I already got an oil mess, so helps the table slide around better. Makes it movable. You don't need wheels. So look, we're just on the dipstick.
You can't see. They couldn't see that at all. But that's gonna be the thumbnail, though.
Okay.
You looking at the.
You ready for the grand reveal?
It better not be green slime.
It's not gonna be green.
Okay, what's the grand reveal? Mason, it's a brand new engine. Oh god, he doesn't care. He's gone mad. She's wet.
Perfect.
Nice and nice in there. Oh, there's not much left.
I want to open my other one.
You can. How to blow an engine on its first start.
An engine. Seafoam is good for everything.
An engine can blow you. All right, I guess I'll give it a start. I'm not gonna start it. Oh, he's actually getting the other can.
Seafoam breaks engines in.
How to clean the
Oh,
Corona.
look, I haven't even opened it yet.
How to clean the Corona.
Listen to this. This is like open. Oh, that wasn't good. I thought it was gonna be.
That still sounded nice.
No, I just wanna.
Make sure you put a lot in there.
That's good. Well, there we go.
That sounded like it caused damage to your table. Here's my Chris
How are you
Fix
supposed to
Chris
get-
Fix quote of the day, and that's not going anywhere.
Look at this. Look at this, please. Is this how you're supposed to use these? Oh.
I think that isn't the intended use.
Hold on. Open her up a bit, and then let's go. Oh. Nope.
I think one's enough.
No.
No.
Come on, do you want to kill it or not? 'Cause it's looking to me like you want to kill it.
Me?
Yeah.
Kill it.
That's tight. Oh, yeah. Now we just gotta hope the table doesn't fall over and we're good. All right. Gotta turn the fuel on, which is this black little.
This is a how-to, Mason.
This is the black little mechanical digital.
Oh, that sounded nice.
It's never been opened before in its life. Choke.
Probably could give it half.
What's the throttle doing? It's really.
That sounds really good.
It's set to full onion, so we'll turn that down here. We'll turn the choke on start because if you first pull with the seafoam in it. Now you want to leave your oil right next to the exhaust hole. Ready?
Yep.
Yeah, anything that's gonna spill.
I don't know.
Don't step in that though.
I'm gonna stand on this. No way. That was Phyllis Poe.
So if we turn the choke off, does it start?
Yes, it does. It's moving.
Moving a little bit, but that's fine.
Most engine mounts are designed to be moved.
Yeah. This is really doing a lot now. Look at that. It's already moving. Don't even need wheels.
Why attach it to a go-kart when you can just put metal and oil underneath it? Give us some beans.
I hope the key doesn't fly off. That would be funny.
The key? I don't even know what you're talking about. Full tilt. It's not hot. So that's how to start a Predator engine for the first
That's
time.
exactly how you want to break them into. Just catch up.
Do I put the things at the bottom?
You
Saying,
can undo that screw and get a bit more out of it.
do I put the thing at the bottom where it says "Don't listen to us"?
No.
Just follow
Well,
the.
the seafoam is good. Anything you put seafoam in it.
Yeah, but
fixes it.
you should probably just follow the instructions.
I don't know where they went.
Yeah, I don't know where they went either.
So that is how you unbox the Predator. Let's check the oil. It's all mixed. Seafoam's mixed.
I see
in
what
it.
you're saying. I see what you're saying.
Now you can really see it.
Look at the oil is clear. You can obviously tell it's removed all the carbon from the cylinders.
Mm-hmm. All of it.
All of it.
If you put a camera in there, it'd be shiny.
It'd be so shiny.
I can't take myself seriously.
You wouldn't even be able to tell that.
Second, technically, first pull start.
Yeah, it did run for a second.
Now, hold on. Third pull start.
I'm gonna just hold on to the engine here.
Oh,
Aw.
I'm pissed off. No, hold on. Well, I turned the throttle all the way down. That's why.
Oh, it's on display mode where it's gonna rotate. Yes.
A little bit.
I see.
That's how you want to do it. Just get a nice cinematic like you've always wanted.
Make sure you touch that. Very safe. It makes it easier to move around when you start it without the engine mounts on.
Yeah.
It's gonna prove that it's a real Predator, not a knockoff.
Must be fuel injected.
Why?
It's got great throttle response.
it's the carburetor's directed and do it.
So that is how you open a Predator, test it, and fill it with oil.
Yes.
Seafoam helps break it in.
Yeah, it
I heard it from
removes
an
the
expert.
carbon, so
Yeah.
you know.
So it means you can really
Yeah, we got to read the instructions, figure out how to get off display mode.
Now you want to get the high heat torch, the hottest you can get.
Yep. The yellow bottle shows that it's high heat.
Now, one thing we'll do is not do it next to that.
Okay, wait. Should we
So-
like actually look through it and make sure there's nothing important in there?
Nope.
Crappy quality.
Crappy quality right now, but it'll quickly.
So this is how you heat yourself up after your after you get your. You know. So
Got a marshmallow?
no.
No? Should
Nah.
go get some ATD s'mores.
ATD s'mores powered by Harbor Freight.
So this is important because everything you see on the internet is true.
Yes.
You don't need manuals. If you can do it yourself, even better.
So the reason we actually burn that is because it's false evidence or false instructions. This one says not to seafoam it. Obviously, you're going to seafoam your engine. So,
It doesn't burn very well, I've noticed.
you know what? It probably needs some seafoam.
So I think we should end this video here before anything gets out of hand. It already kind of has, but. So, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Or you know what? Give us a thumbs down first, and then give us a thumbs up.
Give us the thumbs down, then the
Oh.
thumbs up. He's about
Got
to
a
be.
little hot right there.
He's about to get eaten by the
It's a little
flames.
breezy. I think it's attracted to the torch, to be honest.
Safety first,
I think this block that.
safety last.
So, if you guys like this video, obviously, I don't recommend doing that.
I was wondering if you were gonna say that.
Why not? I almost didn't. So, I think I've said this 4 times already. Click like, click subscribe, and see what we put that engine in the future. It might be a little bit because we've got many other projects, but we just wanted to get that off the shelf. So,
Because it's been in the box.
literally off the shelf.
How many months has that been in the box?
Probably like 3 or 4.
So
No, not 3 or 4. 3 or 2.
3 or 2.
3 or 2.
So yeah,
All right,
hit the buttons.
hit the buttons. Peace.
Peace.
Oh.